Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. And what we have is a Kawasaki 100cc. I think they call this a G4TR. It's made in 371. We restored this bike for the customer years ago, and he never rode it, so we wound up purchasing it from him. This is a ground up job. I mean, the motor is completely rebuilt. This was done about probably 15 years ago, back when you could get a lot of NOS parts reasonable. The front wheel is a new old stock. This is all NOS. The only thing I don't like about the bike, the fender's a little bit gooned right here. It's not perfect, but it's not, you know, if you could get a new one, that would be better. But this is like a 15-year-old job here. We just pulled it out of our showroom and got it fired up, cleaned the carburetor. It's been sitting a while. We had it painted a long time ago for him. So we have got an extra fuel valve on here just because we don't trust this one. So let's hear it run. Got the key over here. It's got 3,412 miles when the bike was brought in for restoration. Like I said, we have not done anything with it. We're going to go over some things and put a little bit of time on it, make sure it's perfect. I believe that it is. So let's see what we got here. Motor's a little bit warm, we're just running it. Titles are a company name, so you could put this on the back of your camper, your boat, whatever. It's not obnoxiously loud. Very nice bike. A nice little bike.
This is high and low.
Oh, yeah, as Hilo was just telling me, it's got high and low gear on it too. I'm not sure how it all works, but it's got high and low.
Okay.
And Hilo says it works, so I believe him. Kind of cold to ride it right now, but man, what you wouldn't have given a long time ago to have one of these as a kid. The first thing I would have done would taken all the lights off and put a number plate on it, but they don't do that anymore. What a beautiful Survivor, and now it's turned into a nice classic bike. So the bike was done about 15 years ago, as I was saying. So Good luck. Anybody interested, give us a call. It's definitely, we're going to sell it. What a nice piece. All right, thanks for looking.